You're not supposed to be sitting here. You're gonna sit there and I'll play ukulele? Okay, good. Oh, you're perfect. Oh, very nice. Okay, everybody. This is Jasper. I'm the Tutor Wizard Adrian. Please subscribe right here. Today what we're going to do is Mario Math. We're going to do a series about mathematics inside Mario. We're going to start with one of my personal favorites, Super Mario Bros. 3, but we're going to do a bunch of other ones all the way from the original Mario to all the way up, and I will be out of my depth because I don't know Mario beyond Nintendo 64 because I'm old. In the first video, what we're going to do today is Super Mario Bros. 3, and we're going to look at how do you find, did you know, if you watch speedrunning, you probably watch speedrunning, and that's not something I'm good at all, but I try, and I watch a bunch of them too. Shout out Carl Sagan 42 and Rio Car, etc., Grand Pooh Bear, all these people. Yeah, when you watch their videos, you're never going to see them find the white ghost ship. I keep calling it the white ghost ship. I think it's just the white coin ship. I just used to call it with my brother when I was little. Why speedrunners have never found this is because it takes a lot more time to complete the white coin ship if you get it than it does to just complete the regular Hammer Brother, and they're trying to do it optimize and finish these as fast as they can, so you're never going to see it. What you can do is in world 1, 3, 5, or 6, you can turn a Hammer Brother that wanders around on the map, on the world map, you can turn that into a white ghost ship. Let's go find out mathematically how we actually do that. Okay, so what we're going to do is now we're going to explain specifically how do we get this elusive white ghost ship. What we do is, if you notice on world 1, so first of all, you can only do this in 4 of the 8 worlds for some reason. You can do it in world 1, world 3, world 5, and world 6 is how you can obtain this. And how you get it is, you'll notice on the screen, if you played the Mario, don't worry, in the next, we're going to go right away in a few minutes, we're going to go play, I'm excited. When you notice in there, in each world, you'll notice that there's a Hammer Brother running around on the screen, and at least one Hammer Brother. Somebody will know specifically for every world how many Hammer Brothers there are running around on each world. You can put it in the comments below or whatever you want. But what our goal is in 1, 3, 5, or 6, we can turn the Hammer Brother into a white ghost ship, which I don't know if it's actually a ghost ship. That's what my brother and I always called it, but it's a white coin ship. And there's a Japanese myth about this white coin ship you can look into also. But for now, we're just going to tell you how to get it. You have to do 3 things. In any level, in World 1, 3, 5, or 6, we're going to do it in World 1 because that's the one you start off with, so that's the easiest. I'm not a speedrunner by any means. I'm just going to try and do what I actually said we're going to do in the videos, get the white ghost ship. What do we need in any level? In any level, we need 3 things. Oh, and the cats are attacking each other right now. You guys, they're really fighting over who gets to be first player and second player. Petra wants to be Luigi. Cat fights already. In a second. Let's explain first. First, you need 3 things in any level. It doesn't matter what level you're in World 1. When you're in World 1, and so if it doesn't work on level 1, you're like, oh, it's not going to work. Yeah, just go into level 2, and you can get it to work there too. You need 3 things. The first thing you need is your coins. There has to be a deal with your coins, so you can get up to 100 coins. Every time you get 100 coins, you get a free man. Here, what we need is you can have 0 coins to 99 coins in your counter. What you have to have for the coins is it actually has to be a multiple of 11. So quickly, we can do this. Kids, what are multiples of 11? That means that the number of coins you have, K, I really want to put it like that, has to be equal to what? 11 times M. It has to be a multiple of 11. So what are the choices that we have if you can be coins from 0 to 99? That's right, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. I can't stop now. I have to write them all. 66, 77, 88, and 99. The multiples of 11, we need our coins to be one of these guys. I'm going to try, and usually in World 1, Level 1, I'm going to try and get either 11 coins or 22 coins. Once I do that, we need a second thing. The second thing we need is our points, or a score bar. In that point bar, what we have is a 10 spot. That 10 spot has to match the multiple of 11. Let's explain that one more time. Okay, so what do I mean by that? I mean, if your coins are 11 times M, so I have 33 coins, your 10 spot in your score has to be a 3. That's what we mean by that. So if you get those two things, and third, I think it was actually a programming coincidence. In the third one, you have to have an even time score when you finish. So when you jump up and hit the scorecard, it has to be an even time, not an odd time. And the reason being, I think, is because an odd one gives you a 50-point scale and an even one gives you multiples of 100. And I don't want to change the 10 spot. And if I get an odd number, it'll give me 50, which will change that and ruin it. If I get an even time, it will give me multiples of 100 and it won't change it. So the third thing is your time must be even. And I assume everybody knows the word, but we're doing the math specifically. So even just in case, that means that your time has to be a multiple of 2. So it has to be not 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It has to end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? These are the 3 things we need. Enough talk, enough math. I'm sure you didn't want to hear any of that. You can skip through. Let's go play the video game. Okay, here we go. Let's go. I don't want to do the Italian voice. Maybe I will. What we have to do is, in any world now, you can see the Hammer Brother. What we're going to do is turn the Hammer Brother into a white ship, and it is full of coins. How do we do that? You go into any one of the levels in the world, and you have to do the 3 things we said. Get your coins to be a multiple of 11. Get your tens digit to match. Now this is the tens digit. We have to have that match our coins, and then our score, our time has to be an even number. Let's try it out. Remember, I'm not a speedrunner. I'm barely going to do the trick. I've practiced this 1,000 times so that we could hopefully get it to work on the video. The easiest way to do it would be to get the first multiple of 11. Ooh. So now I have 11 coins. So now what I have to get is, my points are at 50. I have to get that to be a 10. A nice tip is every time you break a brick, it's 10 points. There. Now my coins are 11 and my 10 digit matches my multiple of 11, 1. Now all I have to do is get my points to be an even number and we're in business. 4 is even. Now it should magically give it to us. I'm hoping. Magically. Oh, white ghost ship. Okay, there it is. What we're going to do is, next time in our video, we're going to go into the ghost ship and we're going to count coins and do a bunch of other math. But right now, the math involved in this is, to get this white ghost ship in any world, I just did it in world 1, level 1, you have to get a multiple of 11 for your coins. Your tens digit has to match a multiple of 11, and your time has to be an even number. And that gives you the white ship. Next time we're going to go into the ghost ship. Well, I'm going to go into the ghost ship right now. I'm going to go into world 2 and then try to get there. Next time I'll show you how to do that, and then we'll discover a bunch of math that's inside the white ghost ship. I keep calling it the white ghost ship, the coin ship. Please subscribe right here, wherever it is. It's somewhere, I don't know where I'm pointing right now. Over there, there's a button, subscribe to it. You can follow us on Facebook at Adrian the Tutor. You can follow us on Twitter at thetutor_inc. I'll see you next time. Every time I take the cartridge out, play a different game. You have to do the Magic Classic. I think it's a placebo, but even as a scientist, the placebo makes me feel really good about myself. Trying to get it to work. And then all the tips are nothing. Weaker, no signal. All the tips are classic. If you push it in too far, I don't think it connects at all. So if you go all the way in like a classical used to, that's a hard no. Nope. What you have to do is get it out, blow in it one more time, and then rake it right along the front, I believe. And that's the magic of how you do that. Mario 1-1. See, kids, before you used to be a whole puzzle on how to just get the game to work. Then you got to play a game. I can remember. In the world, because I know, because I ironed and cleaned my shirt, so you're like, I'll fix that. Get hair all over it. I know, we're trying to shoot videos, Kitty. You're very pretty, though. The star of the show, I know. You know how to be the star. This one's Jasper. And she's the princess. Yeah. Oh, nice kitty. We're gonna use these clippets for Instagram.